ini ndakataura kuti varume kana musina kutsveta pfuti pafront penjira kana kuti pfuti dziri kuno magrenade zvese mabox amabullets everything they are here binoculars mota dzokufamba nadzo dziri pano idzi handiuiko ini varume sungwa mega ende munosungwa mega handiuyo ende ndatovaona zvangu ndovatarira kudai kana kutombotaura nezvazvondodarika nokuti handina chinhu yokuzvidhifenda nacho handizvidhifendi nespeech. I have to defend myself with speech and power and action. Practical. How can you defend yourself with the speech? There is nothing practical. There is nothing action. There is nothing weapon. There is nothing even a car to defend yourself. Just go and sing at the Masoweth Church and sing it way on the street and say Mnangagwa must go. How can you remove him? With your fucking speech. You're crazy. I can tell you this, you're crazy. I always say, if they say, I have machine gun, we have a car, we have a binocular, lot of shoes, everyone, even a car, a lot of cars in Zimbabwe. All those cars, what I see there, I can drive everywhere. I can drive anything there. Any car I can drive. To defend and run away from the enemies of ZANU-PF. I cannot defend myself with speech and songs by the church. To defend ZANU-PF with the songs and flyers. Mnangagwa must go, ZANU-PF must go, Mnangagwa must step down. That is nonsense. That is fucking nonsense, guys. Take it out, that gown of the church, and throw it away and put your gun to the shoulder, put your binocular to the pocket, put your blades to the back, and fight yourself. Fight for your rights. Fight for your country. Fight for freedom. How can you fight for freedom to speak about my freedom, ZANU-PF, from Zipra and Zanla and what? Until Morgan Tsvangirai, today we're coming from Triple C. Now we are followers of Chamisa. It's our president. It's a real our president. But I cannot go myself and defend our integrity and the legacy of Zimbabweans with speech without any practical guns. Any practical weapon. I can stand up and fight for the right and the life of Zimbabwean to take from ZANU-PF if he have a gun. Doesn't have a gun, doesn't have a binocular, doesn't have any grenade. You're waiting for the nothing. You're wasting for your time. Speak like a bird, you're on the tree. Like a donkey, you're still standing, is still inside of the walkie. You're waiting for somebody to come and open for him. He can go in the bush or in the field to eat the grass. Same like a cattle or a goat. You're on the walkie. Then he can go and open somebody. You're waiting for them to open. I don't do that. People, if you don't have a gun, you must stop speaking shit. You don't have a weapon to defend yourself against ZANU-PF. And the gun you can shoot 4, 5 yards, 6 yards. That is nothing. That is nonsense. That is foolish people. They have those guns. You must have a gun you can shoot 15 to 20 kilometers or 7 to 8 kilometers. Yes, that is the gun you can defend yourself. That is the rifle you can defend yourself. Now, to singing on the prison doesn't have any meaning, it doesn't have any help. There, you show yourself, you still continue to expose ZANU-PF. What are they what are they doing to you? Already they are done with your court, guys. You're singing on the prison, nothing help. A prison is simple to get in. To get in the prison and the door to be closed, it's simple. But it's very hard. The door to be open and it will be free. It takes time. No matter you pray, no matter you're a pastor, no matter you're any preacher, no matter you are what, a door of the prison, if you are in the prison, never be opening on to be free symbol. You have to know and understand that. I always say, don't come to my inbox or don't tell me people we have a demonstration about to remove ZANU-PF in power without any practical solution, any practical primary solution. What do you have to defeat yourself? You cannot defeat yourself with mouth. We cannot defeat Mnangagwa and this fucking CIO about, no, ZANU-PF must go. Then they are all their guns. They are all their rifle. You, what do you have? Your fucking hands. You have a gun, he's shooting 2, 3 yards. They can see you, yeah, that fucking bastard is here. Do you know how many yards, how many meters for 3 yards and 4 yards? Then you can come and say, no, I want to defend myself because I take a stone and throw the stone to the police, to the army, to the CIO, which means you're crazy. You lost your mind. I always say that from the day one I get into this group. You're crazy. We are the people, we know all the military base of Zimbabwe. We know how can go there through there. And we know how are they, you can catch them. And how can eliminate them? You need the people, they are strong. And if people, if they catch you, tell them, I don't know them. I don't know what with who, I don't know, I was alone. That is a man. Not a man if you can, these fucking master bastard people, they can catch you, they say, we have some other, our guys there, that side.